Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to be comparing FxPro and Exness in order to help you decide which broker is the best choice for you in 2026. Both are well-known brokers, but each has different strengths depending on your trading style. So first of all, let's understand the regulation and the trust. So both FxPro and Exness are well-regulated brokers with a strong reputation in the industry. FxPro has been operating since 2006, while Exness is also widely trusted and it serves traders in many countries. Now, both the brokers support the MT4 and MT5. FxPro also offers you the C Trader and it has its own FxPro platform. While if we talk about Exness, then it is going to provide you MT5, MT4, and it also has its own terminal, which is known as the Exness terminal. So if we talk about the trading conditions, so Exness is popular for the low spreads, for the instant deposits and withdrawals, and even for flexible leverage. If we talk about FxPro, it stands out for its fast execution, multiple account types, and access to a wider range of trading platforms. So the real question comes, which one is actually better for you and which one should you choose? So you can go with Exness if you want low trading costs and flexible leverage. You can choose FxPro if you prefer more platform options, strong regulation, and a broker focused on the professional trading tools. So if this comparison helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.